Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to the best educator show. Right, welcome. Today I have something special, right, for all our international students. And today is Thursday. We will be giving out what academic content that concerns what travel abroad, right? So welcome everyone. Now I know in everyone's mind, right, they are all preparing for the September admission. That's for international students. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to apply for September 2025 intake, be it what USA, UK, Canada, and Germany, right? So I'm just going to list out the steps, right? So if you need further support or assistance or guidance or mentorship, you can leave your thoughts in the comment section or you can send us a DM, right? So welcome everyone, welcome, and let's just get into what our objective, right? Applying for the September 2025 or fall intake, right? You can call the September admission fall intake in universities abroad, particularly in countries like the USA, UK, and Canada, requires what careful planning and adherence to what specific timelines, right? So there's always a timeline for everything to submit your application and all of that. Now, September intake, commonly known as the fall intake, is the most popular admission session for all international students, right? And that's where all the courses, admission to all the courses are open. Now I'm going to list out, here are the required steps to apply for September 2025 admission intake. Step one, research and shortlist universities. So your first step is to research and shortlist what universities. Step two, appear for standardized tests such as GMAT, GRE, and what English proficiency tests, CELP, IELTS, right, and the rest, right. Step three, right, gather the required documents to apply for the fall intake. Step four, start the application process online, right. Step five, apply for scholarship and financial aid. Step six, track application and what prepare for interview. Step seven, accept admission offers. But you need to accept what admission offers. Step eight, apply for student visa. Step nine, attend pre-departure orientation. So if you found this useful, follow, subscribe, and like. Bye.